This is a quick tip from Keene. I was just doing some cleanup, and so while I was doing that, I didn't want my brush and my roller to get sticky, right? So this is what I always do. When I go to the store, I save my little bags, and I wrap them up wet in there, and as long as you keep all the air away from them, from the wet paint, the paint won't dry. And so I sometimes do this overnight. I just wrap the bag around my brush and then squish it on there. So I eliminate all the air and get a good contact between them. And then when I'm ready to use them, I just pull it out, and the brush and the roller both are in really good shape still. And then I just throw these bags away because it's too hard to try to use them again. But there you go, quick tip.